at the Robb's farm in Glastonbury. We just found a bunch of stuff that he purchased from the same tag sale that we went to a few vlog episodes ago. But we're gonna go in the corn maze. We're doing a haunted corn maze this year in October, which it's not October yet. It's Brenda's birthday!
Yay! Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday to you. Do you like that?
Yes.
Good! So we're going to the corn maze, and I don't even think the corn's grown up enough. This one looks like the weed maze. Whoa. Did you get spooked?
I did.
It might be this way. You never know.
Oh.
So it's very picturesque here. We come here every year. Coffins, I see. That's new.
Oh, yeah.
And the mausoleum. Wow, they've gone all out this year. They definitely didn't make all this stuff. They must have bought this. That they built. What have we got in here? Some lighting. Tombstones. Black plastic. What's this made out of?
Plywood?
Plywood?
Yeah.
Yeah. OSB platform. Really kind of not so great paint job, but it's going to be pitch black out in here unless he's running electricity, which they have not done previously. Should have done something like this in Preston. I just should have planted a bunch of corn and then done a big thing. So I used to own a 4-acre horse farm. But I'm not really into horses, so more into the person that I lived in the horse farm with. Decisions.
Watch out.
What? You could have gone in right there. I think there might be another way. Aha, see? We found another treasure. Thank you. It says. It's locked. It's got a lock on it.
Check out that later.
There's an exit sign. This is just an exit, I think. Another coffin. We walked into some construction. Another facade for the other side.
Yep.
Right, you want to do some temporary screws so it doesn't fall off?
Looking at the wall panels at Robb's. They're just probably nailed together at the top or something. Looks like it. 2x4s. Yeah, it's the same idea. They just put a support brace in the middle. Some facade out in the middle of the corn maze here. Nice paint job.
Yeah.
Actually, makes it look really old. I'm gonna try to get around to the other side of it. But there's a ton of great stuff on the back, and I'm not sure why, unless they had panels on the. I don't know. Who knows what? Somebody wrote their initials, sort of. Something. We actually just met the people who are building all of this stuff. I didn't want to put them on camera. I didn't want to make them uncomfortable, but they had a haunt somewhere else in Connecticut. In Andover that closed. And they've teamed up with this farm, Robb's farm, and have brought all of their stuff over here and their expertise. And the stuff you can tell that they've made is, you know, this was their facade at some convention recently, not Trans World, but a Trans World type convention. Looks good. A lot of detail in there. And another one. That one has not been distressed yet, looks like. Wobbly on the structure over there. The wind. That's the thing about Connecticut.
Oh, we found another group of people.
You did. Hello.
Let's go that way. Let's go where they came from.
Scary up there. This is the part I like, when you can't see anything but the corn.
Ah!
They got us.
They got us.
Alright then. Uh-oh. Hey, it meets up, cheater. I see you trying to run away.
Oh!
It didn't work, I saw you. Hey, let's see your necklace. Ooh, it's sparkly.
Yes, it is.
Oh, look at that. Oh look, it's painted differently on the opposite. It does look cool from that side.
Yeah.
This is new wood. New plywood with the stickers on it. Those are maize, I think.
A turtle.
Well, that's what it is. Broken ice vending machine. That's kind of cool. This is a prop.
Yep.
Made out of wood. This probably came from, this looked like,
Yeah.
like an Eric's kind of thing. This is interesting. Interesting idea.
Yeah.
Maybe they'll be selling stuff out here. Like body parts. And bathroom breaks. This looks familiar. Whatever this stuff is, looks like it's 1/8 inch. Put a lot of money in this year. All this lumber. Another maze. Oh, nice. Yep. Really wide though. See? These are 4 feet right here. Yep. Oh, look at this now. Probably ABC box kind of a thing. There's a drop panel. But it's definitely a drop panel. It's framed out for it.
Look how they did this.
Yep. There's the paint.
Yep.
Definitely a drop panel. Now this is what it looks like unpainted. These are very wide corridors. There's a lot of money in lumber in this.
Well, I mean, you have the space because they're outside.
See how they did it just like ours?
Yep.
Well, very similar. In and out in the same general area. Sorry, last year this was the big, where they had like a tent or something over it.
Right.
This is nice.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy. There's a nice cotton candy prop. I didn't really expect this to be much of a Halloween vlog entry, but it turned out to be one. Looks like more like a, what you'd think something cold like ice cream would be in. It's blue and white, you know?
Right.
I didn't even see this, like tickets, like a ticket booth. Maybe. Hey, there it is. The way out. Oh, I think it is. I think we got it. Would you care to repeat that for the camera?
No.
You got a comment about the bouncy house?
Yep.
And if we had that, what would happen?
The little darlings would never leave.
Little darlings. Oh, it's little darlings this time.
Mm-hmm.
Ah. I don't believe you called them little darlings a moment ago, but I agree. We were joking that we wanted to call the haunt the GTFO haunt. You come, you look at the and then you get the...
Ow.
Right. Think they're funny, do you?
You got one more bite, honey.
Yeah, that's right, I do. It's like me in the morning. Alright, I'm up. I'm up. So tired. I'm up already. I want to go back to bed. I'm up.